Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into something colorful, expressive, and constantly evolving, the most trending fabric fashion ideas across countries all over the world. Fashion is not just about clothes, it's about culture, identity, creativity, and confidence. Every country brings something unique to the table, and fabrics are at the heart of it all. From bold African prints to soft Parisian silks, from Korean street cotton to Indian embroidery magic, fabric tells a story before you even say a word. So let's take a stylish journey around the world and explore what's trending, why it's trending, and how fabrics are shaping modern fashion globally. A continent bursting with color, pride, and powerful fashion statements, African print fabrics are dominating both local and international runways. Ankara, Kente, Aso-Oke, and dashiki fabrics are not just traditional anymore. They are modern, edgy, and globally admired. Designers are transforming these fabrics into fitted dresses, jumpsuits, power suits, two-piece sets, and even streetwear. The bold patterns and vibrant colors symbolize celebration, heritage, and strength. What makes African fabric trends powerful is their confidence. The prints are unapologetically bright, the designs are dramatic, and the message is clear: culture is beautiful. Across Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, and beyond, young designers are mixing tradition with modern tailoring, making African fabrics one of the most exciting global fashion trends today. Now, let's travel to Europe, where fabric fashion leans toward elegance and structure. In countries like France and Italy, silk, chiffon, satin, and fine wool are trending. European fashion often focuses on clean lines and high-quality materials. Neutral tones like beige, cream, black, and soft pastels are popular, but the magic lies in the fabric texture. Linen is huge right now, especially in summer collections. It's breathable, classy, and effortlessly chic. Structured blazers made from tweed and wool blends are also trending, giving that polished yet relaxed look. In colder countries, cashmere and thick knits are must-haves. European fashion proves that fabric quality can speak louder than loud patterns. Moving over to Asia, the fabric game is incredibly diverse. In South Korea, lightweight cotton, denim, and oversized layered fabrics dominate street fashion. Korean style blends comfort with creativity. Soft cardigans, pleated skirts, wide-leg trousers, and oversized shirts are trending, often in neutral or pastel tones. Meanwhile, in Japan, minimalism meets innovation. Fabrics like structured cotton, technical blends, and layered textiles are popular. Japanese fashion often experiments with silhouette and layering, making fabric movement a key element. India brings a completely different kind of magic. Rich embroidery, silk, chiffon, georgette, and brocade fabrics are trending in both traditional and modern wear. Saris remain iconic, but now they are styled in contemporary ways. Lehenga sets, embroidered dupattas, and fusion wear that blends Western cuts with Indian fabrics are gaining global attention. Indian fabrics are known for detail. Mirror work, beadwork, zari embroidery, and these details are now appearing in international fashion markets. Let's talk about the United States, where fashion is driven by comfort, self-expression, and social media trends. Denim is forever trending, but now it's oversized, distressed, patchwork, and reimagined. Cotton blends, fleece, athleisure fabrics, and sustainable textiles are huge right now. Sweat sets, hoodies, cargo pants, and oversized t-shirts made from soft fabrics dominate casual fashion. Sustainability is also a major focus. Recycled fabrics, organic cotton, and eco-friendly materials are becoming a priority. American fashion trends spread quickly thanks to influencers and celebrities, making fabric trends move at lightning speed. In the Middle East, luxury and modest fashion go hand in hand. Flowing fabrics like chiffon, silk, and satin are very popular. Abayas and kaftans are being redesigned with modern cuts, embroidery, and embellishments. Velvet is especially trendy during cooler seasons. Modest fashion is no longer limited. It's fashionable, elegant, and internationally admired. Designers are using rich fabrics with subtle shine and soft drapes to create graceful silhouettes that move beautifully. Now let's talk about Latin America. Countries like Brazil, Colombia, and Mexico are embracing bold prints, tropical fabrics, and body-celebrating cuts. Crochet fabrics are trending heavily, especially for beachwear. Bright floral prints, lightweight cotton, and flowy materials are popular because of the warm climate. Ruffles, lace, and colorful embroidery are key details. Fashion here feels joyful, lively, and expressive. The fabrics reflect sunshine, rhythm, and movement. Speaking of crochet, handmade fabrics are trending worldwide. Crochet tops, dresses, bags, and even pants are making huge waves in fashion. There's something nostalgic yet fresh about crochet. It connects to tradition but feels modern when styled right. Many young designers are bringing crochet back in bold colors, granny square patterns, and even luxury-inspired styles. The handmade look is powerful because it feels personal and artistic. Another major global fabric trend is sustainability. Across countries, consumers are becoming more conscious. Organic cotton, bamboo fabric, recycled polyester, and plant-based dyes are gaining popularity. People want clothes that not only look good, but also respect the planet. Slow fashion is rising. Handmade, small batch, and locally produced fabrics are valued more than mass-produced fast fashion. This shift is changing the entire fashion industry. Sheer fabrics are also trending globally. Mesh, lace, and transparent layers are being styled in creative ways. Layering sheer over solid fabrics creates depth and drama. From runway shows to street fashion, sheer fabrics add boldness without heaviness. Metallic fabrics are another hot trend. Shiny silver, gold, and reflective textiles are appearing in party wear and statement pieces. These fabrics catch light and create a futuristic feel. Fashion is playing with shine and texture in new ways. Oversized fabrics and relaxed tailoring are everywhere. Wide-leg trousers, oversized blazers, flowy dresses, and large shirts are trending across continents. Comfort is key. People want breathable, soft fabrics that allow movement. Texture is also becoming important. Quilted fabrics, ribbed knits, pleated materials, and layered textiles are gaining attention. Texture adds personality without relying only on color. Cultural fusion is perhaps the strongest trend globally. Designers are blending fabrics from different countries into one look. African prints combined with European tailoring, Indian embroidery on Western silhouettes, Korean streetwear styled with vintage American denim. Fashion is becoming a global conversation. Color trends also influence fabric popularity. Earth tones like brown, olive, and terracotta are trending. Pastels are strong in spring. Bold reds and deep blues are powerful statement colors worldwide. Let's not forget about festival fashion. Music festivals across countries inspire unique fabric trends. Fringe fabrics, crochet, mesh, metallics, and bold prints shine in these spaces. Festival fashion allows experimentation. Another big trend is gender-neutral fabrics. Many designers are creating unisex clothing using simple cuts and neutral colors. Soft cotton, denim, and structured blends are being designed to suit all genders. Winter trends globally focus on thick knits, wool blends, faux fur, and layered fabrics. Statement coats are becoming key pieces. In colder countries, fabric warmth is just as important as style. Summer trends focus on breathability. Linen, cotton, chiffon, and lightweight blends dominate. Cutouts and open weaves keep outfits cool. Athleisure is still strong worldwide. Stretch fabrics, breathable materials, and performance textiles are worn beyond the gym. Comfort has become fashionable. Luxury fabrics like velvet and silk continue to hold power. They represent elegance and class. Designers are using them in modern cuts to keep them relevant. Street fashion is heavily influencing global trends. Youth culture drives fabric choices. Oversized hoodies, cargo fabrics, denim, and statement prints dominate urban fashion. Digital influence cannot be ignored. Social media platforms spread fabric trends quickly. What trends in one country today may appear globally tomorrow. Vintage revival is also huge. 70s, 80s, and 90s fabrics are returning with a modern twist. Corduroy, flared denim, retro prints, and bold patterns are coming back in a modern way. Handmade and artisanal fabrics are rising in value. Consumers appreciate craftsmanship. Embroidery, weaving, crochet, and hand dye techniques are celebrated. Layering fabrics creatively is another trend. Mixing textures like leather with lace or denim with silk creates visual interest. Monochrome outfits using the same